Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to perform a factory reset on JBL headphones. So in this case, these are the JBL Live 650 BTNC, but it does work in the same way for most other headphones from JBL as well. So first of all, I'm going to turn on the headphones and they're going to pair right now with my smartphone. So I'm going to check this here, because after the factory reset, this connection should not be automatically established again. So we're going to do this to confirm that the factory reset actually happened. So now how do we do this? So we take a look at the volume buttons here, the plus and the minus button. And you're going to press these buttons both simultaneously and going to press and hold them for a couple of seconds. And eventually the headphones are going to power off. Gonna hear the sound, and right afterwards they're going to start up again. See this? And in this case they're going to go into the Bluetooth pairing mode by themselves, indicating that we just performed the factory reset. And we're confirming this with my phone here, so they're not automatically connecting again. So now we have to pair them again. So I'm going to delete these headphones from the list of my Bluetooth devices on my phone, and in case the headphones don't appear on the bottom of the list right away, then I'm going to turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on. And then if we now check here on the bottom, there it is. There they are, the headphones. So I'm going to select them. They're going to pair, and we're going to hear the jingle for the successful pairing, and we're all set. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos.